guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can customize watermark in your Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. So at the start, open the camera app, then go to the settings and look for the watermark. Just tap on this section, and how you can see there we have a few options to edit. You can change the model name, click OK, save. You can also add a date and time. To change the font, tap on this and choose your favorite one. You can also change the place of your watermark, like in the right down corner. And now if you take a photo, the watermark is here and it looks like this one. The default one looks like this. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.